For printing business naman, maraming nagtatanong kung okay ba o hindi. Alam nyo, lahat ng businesses ay magandang subukan. Malalaman nyo na lang yan kapag okay siya o hindi, kapag nasubukan nyo na. But what I could say with printing business, it's a good business. Why? Because you are targeting businesses. Napakagandang opportunity kapag yung mga tinatarget mo ay mga negosyante na rin. Sino ba yung mga pwede nyong i-target dito? Of course, these are just some, no? We have corporate companies na kung saan sila ay nagpapagawa ng mga payong, ng tumblers, bags, and a lot more. Meron ding mga schools na pwede mong targetin na nagpapagawa ng IDs and uniforms, and even government offices na ganun din, nagpapagawa din ng mga uniforms. Ano pa yung mga pwedeng i-print kung sakali na nakuha mo itong mga offices na to? You have calling cards, flyers, brochures, paper bags, corporate paper bags, uniforms, at napakarami pa. Kaya lang sa ganitong klaseng business, hindi siya pwede na bibili lang ako ng machine tapos magpuprint ako tapos maghahanap ako ng clients. It doesn't work that way. It's because in this business, you need to have a lot of funds. Kailangan mo i-register yung business mo. Bakit? Kasi you're targeting business to business. Ibig sabihin, itong mga negosyanteng to, hihingan ka ng sales invoice. So, kung hindi naka-register yung business mo, definitely, they will not get you as their supplier. Kung gusto mo ng magandang mga results sa mga piniprint mo, definitely kailangan mo ng mga printers or machines or equipments na magaganda at hindi ito na 50,000 or 100,000 lang. Next is you need to have a good location para visible ka sa mga negosyante na to. And of course, you have to invest on marketing. Now, the competition is high kapag sa ganitong klaseng business. And I always say this, you have to position yourself in the market. And what I recommend sa inyo moving forward, you need to focus on one target lamang. So, pag sinabi mong corporate companies, then go for corporate. If you're saying schools, then schools. So, for example, you're targeting schools. You have to go deep. Don't go wide. List all the schools na nasa lugar ninyo na pwede nyong makausap. And then, contact them through email or you can go to them and pitch your business. Go face-to-face. And once you will be able to go deep dito sa target na to, for example, yung mga schools, you can now diversify. Ibig sabihin, you can target corporate companies, you can target government offices, and a lot more. Medyo mag-ingat lang talaga pag government offices kasi minsan may bidding dyan eh. Matagal yung bayaran. Unlike kapag private companies, medyo mabilis yung pagbayad. But it depends pa rin. Now, if you will be able to go deep and diversify dito sa printing business na to, clients will now trust you. And if they will trust you, they will be buying from you, ordering from you repeatedly. So, for example, sa school, nag-change ng uniform yearly. So, meron kang yearly income sa isang school pa lang yun. With this, you'll have a good cash flow, good income, and yes, this is a good business if only you can start this properly. Yun lang.